discretion of the local special body representatives to select how many civil society organizations will be present in the annual investment plan and the approval of the CBC, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Mr. Chair, so just to clear that, so there's no particular number or maximum or how many CSOs are going to or will be part of the CBC, the upcoming CBC.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the recognition, Mr. Presiding Officer. Yes, the premise is correct. There are no hard and fast rules with regard to the number of participants or the number of CSOs that will be attending the approval of the CBC. It shall be up to the discretion or it is within the prerogative of the local special bodies as well as the city planning officer and the CSO desk officer of the executive branch, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
However,
Yes, proceed.
I would just like to bring the attention of our honorable city councilors to section 4.4 under the Memorandum Circular number 2025-060 with regard to the selection of representatives to the LSPs. It actually breaks down the number of representatives that they can elect depending on the local special body that is formulated by the DALG. So it doesn't answer the question, but it is only to give premise on the selection of the CSOs in relation to how many they can bring to the CBC and to the approval of the DALG.
Okay, thank you very much for that information.
yes, Mr. Chair. Again, congratulations to our councilor Shalini Alvarez.
Okay, thank you very much. Before we proceed with Councilor Ryan, I think I recognize Councilor Herbert for leader Gogoles.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Salamat po natin po and going forward sa test naman na pwede atin ito sa 15 na resolutions. The reason is it will face several subject matters which is yung mga NGOs at CSOs natin. So para naman hindi tayo sa atin naman nag-log rolling or pinapabilis natin. And also, of course, these organizations gusto rin na resolution mismo ng pangalan ng nila para mas maganda sa file sila na ay, kanila talaga mismo. So again, congratulations to the proponent and congratulations also in advance sa ating mga organizations na nagpapalagay ngayon na kasama natin sa pag-uunlad ng lungsod ng Pangasinan.
Thank you very much, for our leader. Yes, Councilor.
Congratulations also to all the new NGOs. I have a pending motion.
There's a motion to terminate the period of deliberation, seconded by Councilor Soto. Any objections? Hearing that, the period of deliberation is terminated. Amendments?
Amendments, Presiding Officer, I move that all councilors present in today's regular session be made as co-proponent of the said measure.
There's a motion by Majority Leader, seconded by Councilor Tony Baez. Any objections? There being none, the amendment is divided. Any other amendments? Yes, proponent.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I would also like to add Article 3, Section 8 of the 1987 Constitution. It states that the right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law shall not be abridged, as well as Article 13, Section 16 of the 1987 Constitution, which states that the right of the people and their organizations to be effective and reasonable participation at all levels of social, political, and economic decision-making shall not be abridged. The state shall, by law, facilitate the establishment of the adequate consultation mechanisms, as well as Section 34 and Section 35 of the Local Government Code of 1991, that it be applied in all 15 resolutions emanating from Resolution number 7, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you very much. There's a motion by our proponent. Do I hear a second? seconded by Councilor Rina Gabriel. Any objections? There being none, the amendment is hereby carried. Any other amendments? Okay, there is a motion by our Councilor Daniel Eric Baez. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Bob Chong. Any objections? Hearing none, the period of amendments is hereby terminated. There is a motion by our Councilor Mickey Pavis to approve the said measure. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Tommy Baez. Any objections? Yes, Councilor Bob. Is that an objection? Okay, no objections. Malalim sila. Hearing none, resolution number 78, series of 2025, opponent, Councilor Janine Mayor Supervisor Dardo, is hereby approved.
Mr. President Officer,
Yes, before I push back,
yes, ano po siya, split na po natin siya.
sorry. Yes, let me correct myself. Draft resolution number 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 99, 91, and 92 is hereby approved with amendments on second and final.
Yes! Congratulations!
Yes, the chair would like to request for 1 minute